Hello, let me show you a quick unboxing of Redmi Watch 5 Active and some base specification. So first of all, when you take a look on the box, on the left side we can actually find some top specification, like we can find here the LCD display 2 inches, and it actually looks a little bit different from the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, because right here we can find an AMOLED display and it honestly looks really great. I mean, really good, better than the Apple Watch Series 10. And right here we can also find the dual mic noise reduction for the Bluetooth calling. So we'll be able to actually speak through this device. Now we can also find up to 80 days of the battery life, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, 580 m water resistance, so we can easily swim with this device. We can find over 200 watch faces, 140 workout modes, and all-day blood oxygen and stress monitoring. This is all information that you can get from this box. Now let's take a look inside. So as you can see, we got also another information that it comes with a charging cable, but there's no charging brick. So you will have to actually use the charging brick of your phone if you want to recharge this device. There we go. It actually comes with the foil. And on the screen we can already find this protection. So let's take it off. Now I'm gonna put it, for example, right here. And inside we can also find the user manual. And there's also a charger, which is located right here. It basically looks the same like the charger from Redmi Watch 5 Lite, so I'm not gonna actually open it. And now when you take a look on the build quality, honestly it looks the same like the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, but the screen is a little bit bigger. We can also find the same button right here. So let's click and hold it to turn on the device. We have to click and hold it, and now when you got the Redmi logo, we can also find information about the Xiaomi HyperOS, and we can also find here, you know, the vibrations. Take a look on the left side, there's nothing. On the right side there's speaker, microphone. This is the strap. And right here we can find sensors, place for charger, and bands looks actually the same like with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Right here, when we turn it on for the first time, we can find the QR code, and we can simply change a language if we want by going here. So yeah, that will be all the quick information for you, and thanks for watching.